In this guide, you will learn how to check if Target online payment is safe. Let's get started. First, always shop using the official Target website or the official Target mobile app. Before entering your payment details, check that the website address begins with HTTPS and displays a padlock icon on your browser's address bar. This indicates that your connection is encrypted. Next, make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Avoid making purchases over public Wi-Fi networks. If possible, use your home Wi-Fi or a trusted mobile data connection. When you are ready to pay, use one of the Target supported payment methods such as a credit or debit card, Target Circle card, Target gift card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, depending on the options available at checkout. These payment methods include built-in security features to help protect your transactions. It's also a good idea to enable transaction alerts with your bank or card issuer. This allows you to receive a notification whenever a purchase is made, helping you quickly identify any authorized activity. After placing your order, review your order confirmation and monitor your bank or credit card statement to verify that the charge matches your purchase. If you notice any unexpected or unauthorized charges, contact your bank and Target customer support immediately. Finally, keep your Target account secure by using a strong, unique password and enabling two-factor authentication if it's available. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.